On August 17th, 2024, at 4:35 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, our team gathered to watch the Waratah Seed launch into space live on the SpaceX Transporter 11 mission.
Falcon 9 is in startup. LD is go for launch.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition. And liftoff of Falcon 9, go Transporter 11.
Vehicle's pitching downrange.
MOD chamber pressure nominal.
We've cleared the tower and the Launch Complex 4 East. We've begun throttling down those Merlin 1D engines on the first stage in preparation for max Q.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
That's the point of maximum aerodynamic stresses during ascent.
Max Q.
The satellites were built by the team at COAVA, the AIC Centre for CubeSats, UAVs and their applications, in the School of Physics at the University of Sydney.
And with that, we've got main engine cutoff, or MECO. That's where we'll shut down the Merlin 1D engines in preparation for stage separation.
Main engine cutoff.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC ignition.
Stage 1 boost back startup.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And there is successful confirmation of fairing separation. You can also get a good view of the payloads flying on today's mission.
Stage 1 boost back shut down.
And with that, the first stage is making its way back towards its next major activity, which will be the entry burns. You can see the grid fins deploying on the left-hand side of your screen. Those are our attitude control system that is helping orient the stage to get the heat shield pointed in the right direction for the upcoming entry burn. Now, the Merlin vacuum on the right-hand side of your screen is in the first of 4 planned burns for today's mission. This first burn is getting the transporter satellites into their insertion orbit.
Falcon 9 is on a nominal trajectory.
Entry burn shut down.
And shutdown of the entry burn 3 of the Merlin 1D engines. Now that landing burn will rapidly bring the stage's speed down to 0. Landing legs will deploy and we'll hopefully see a nice soft touchdown at landing zone 4.
Landing leg deployed.
MVAC shut down.
Nominal parking orbit.
And that call out indicating that we are in the target orbit for insertion of today's mission around planet Earth. And here's a view from the top of the second stage looking at those payloads. As a reminder, we are flying in a sun-synchronous orbit. The nice thing about a sun-synchronous orbit is that payloads deployed on this usually have very long dwell times in the sun, and that helps them power their systems through solar panels on board.
The second satellite to deploy is our Waratah Seed satellite.
Waratah Seed 1, deploy confirmed.
Waratah Seed is carrying payloads from our 2021 Waratah Seed Payload Competition winners, taking their innovative Australian space technology into orbit. The next phase, called the commissioning phase, is to establish communications, power up systems, and start to receive the data from the payloads on board and the results of their experiments and observations. If you want to see where the Waratah Seed satellite is right now, head to our website, waratahseed.space. There's a dashboard link on the front page that tracks the satellite in real time.